guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my Amazon luxury beauty box. I ordered this one recently. I haven't opened it. I just took the wrapper off. I was waiting to share it with you guys. This is my second one. The first one I tried was the Amazon, like the basic level beauty box, where it's more like oil of Olay or Crest white strips or floss that I got, shampoo, conditioners, but more on the lower end, like drugstore quality. This one is more on the higher end. This box was $20, $19.99. And the nice thing about these beauty boxes is that you'll get a credit for the amount that you paid. So I ended up getting a credit on my Amazon account, and then I was able to go and shop for items that were either in my box or that are in the luxury line of Amazon products. So I'm going to share with you what's in here. So we start off with the card here. And this card says, "Hello gorgeous, shop Amazon luxury beauty selection of premium beauty products. We thoughtfully curated a collection of the best cosmetics, hair care, skin care, and fragrances to keep you looking and feeling luxurious. Amazon luxury beauty." And also, if you're a Prime member, you know that you have access to this. This is only for Prime members, and it is my understanding that you can only order the beauty box one time, and then that's it, maybe once a year. I'm not sure yet, but I know that it won't let you order the same beauty box over and over. So it says visit amazon.com/luxury box to learn about full-size versions of the samples featured in your luxury box. So it comes like this, really cute. Wow, lots of goodies, guys. 20 bucks worth of goodies. So we'll start with this one here. This one says PCA Skin Collagen Hydrator. And this one, I guess, is just like a facial cream with collagen. Strivectin. I've always wanted to try this brand. And this one is use AM and PM on clean skin, gently pat around orbital bone. And this is intensive eye concentration, or intensive eye concentrate for wrinkles. Ooh, I got those coming. Gotta take care of those. Gotta prevent them. Silk infusion. This one's for the hair, for hair and skin. Apply a small amount into palm of hand and work evenly throughout hair, leave in, and proceed with styling. So got that. I like this brand. We did get a couple of perfumes. I got here the Calvin Klein Euphoria, Exotic Fruits, Rich Black Orchid, Sensual Woods. Smells really good. It's a nice strong perfume, but it's very nice for a nice night out. More like an evening perfume, not like a daytime. Okay, then we have the Elizabeth Arden White Tea. And it says the new fragrance, Find Your Moment. Let's see this one. My little one is over here playing with a bottle of water, keeping her entertained. Oh, this smells really nice. Refreshing, good for a daytime perfume. Very nice. White tea. All right, I'm surprised it has so many good things. All right, here we have moisturizing skin cream, original Japanese formula, Hubby, and it's a multi-usage cream. Invented by a Japanese pharmacist in 1957, concentrated glycerin formula absorbs quickly and stays locked. Somebody's got my camera. Mariana, not my camera. Replenish lost moisture on all dry skin areas of the body. Hands, feet, cuticles, callous skin, face, and lips. Very good. All right, we have this one. It's the Sea Berry Omega 3, 6, 7, and 9 hair mask. Awesome. Love this. Rejuvenates and renews and repairs medium to coarse hair. So I'm looking forward to using this. All right, and then we have a sample here of the L'Occitane or L'Occitane or L'Occitane. I'm not sure, but this, I know I've seen this brand before. And this one here is a cream. And this cream helps to fight against visible signs of aging, avoid contact with eyes. So we have that one. Somebody's got. A ver, venga para acá. Mira los libros. Mira. So just a nice facial cream sample to try. So these are not your typical samples that you would find at the drugstore. This is more of, you know, higher end quality items. I love this perfume. But I don't think I've smelled this one. Viva La Juicy I've smelled before, but this is Viva La Juicy Rosé. So let me find a little spot in my arm to spray this. Smells good. Smells rosy, that's for sure. But it smells great. All right. Oh, isn't that something? The Sensibio H2O. Mariana. This solution, makeup removing micelle solution. Micelle, sensitive skin. So it's a little sample. Cute little way to put it. Somebody just wants to get all of my equipment here. Óyeme, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You want to be on camera? Then we have the La Roche-Posay Toleraine Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. So I got a little facial cleanser, a good amount. That. Then we have this Anti-Puff Eye Cream, Clark's Botanicals. Always need that on a long night. You want to look awake the next day. All right, here, this one came in a little box. Oh, Derma Blend. I've been wanting to try this. Loose Setting Powder. So got a little sample of that. And ensures smudge resistance and enhances wearability of Derma Blend Foundation for up to 16 hours if consistent color wear. Mari. Got lots of samples. I feel like I got better samples with this sample box compared to the other one that I got for, I think it was $7.99. But in return, it ended up being more because I got a $7.99 credit and an $11.99 credit. So I think it was like $23 worth of free stuff, which is good. But this one, I got more samples of the nice products. So this one here is called, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, it's from La Roche-Posay. And this one is called Cicaplast Balm B5. And it's a soothing, repairing balm. And I'm looking here, I'm guessing it's for your face. Doesn't really say on here. But it is. We got here Bliss Lemon and Sage Body Butter Maximum Moisture Cream. So got that brand here. Love having good creams. And this one is Don't Just Eat Your Vitamins. See the difference. So it's a vitamin C for your face. It's a two-step process here. There's a white marble dual phase vitamin C peel, exfoliate, smooth peel, mixie activator, After 1 minute, rinse well with warm water. Use weekly after you double cleanse. So this is cool. This is by the brand. It's what is it called? Oh, Erno Laszlo, New York. White marble it's called. So got that. And then the first step of Complexion Perfection by I.S. Clinical Cleansing Complex. So this is a face wash. So got that little sample here. So that's pretty neat. And one more, last but not least. Pretty cool little packaging here. Mineral Booster Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. So it says 1, 15 minerals needed for looking healthy. 2, versatile, use alone or with any regimen. 3, caused by pollution, helps shield against visible aging, which is caused by pollution, stress the skin, and fatigue. And 4, it hydrates and plumps the skin with hyaluronic acid. And number 5, pure, clean, 100% transparent, no paraben, fragrance-free, silicones, and alcohol. So, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué está haciendo esa nena de mami? So, this looks really good too. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I like anything that moisturizes my face and makes it look glowy. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? So there it is. All right, so now what I want to share with you is what I actually ended up... What happened? You can't go back there. No, you can't go behind the chair. You silly girl. All right, so really quickly, I want to share with you what I bought with my credit. And let me tell you, I am... Uh-oh. Yay! You're happy. I'm happy. Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to share with you what I actually got with my credit. What ended up happening was I got a credit of $19.99 on my account. Once you put an item that falls under the categories of luxury beauty sample items, you'll be credited right away. So long story short, I added 2 items that were luxury items. They have to be sold by Amazon, so fulfilled and sold by Amazon. So I found 2, and for some reason it wasn't giving me the credit for the other item, even though I had gone over my credit. It was not giving it to me, so I called customer service or chatted with them, and they ended up giving me a credit for $11 as opposed to the $5 to get the item that I wanted. So that worked out very nicely. So I ended up getting more money because there was a fault in their system. So let me share with you what I got. And I love this stuff. Okay, and I'm going to do a video on my skincare routine at night, but this is the one thing that I got. The Bioderma Sensibio Sensibio H2O, and it's a makeup removing solution. And as you saw in my sample box, I got one of theirs as well, but it's there for sensitive skin. So I want to try that as well. But this is going to last a long time, and it works so good. I wash my face in the shower before, and then I use this afterwards just to take off whatever was left on my face. So it's working so good under the eye makeup. Just really, really good product. I'm just really happy that I found this. The other item that I found, I was looking for toner, and I found this one by Mario Badescu, and it's a skincare facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. And basically it says that it's a rejuvenating facial spray. You won't want to be without. Use it to set makeup, soothe your skin in dehydrating conditions, or give your skin a quick boost anytime. I'm not sure if it's a toner now after reading that, but it does say really good things that I'm looking for. So I love using this. Great find. So that alone right there would have been my credit. This was $11, and this was I think like, I don't know, like 14 maybe, if I want to say, if I'm correct, somewhere in there. And then I also went ahead and bought this BB cream. I usually use the Dr. Jart BB cream, but right now I'm working every single morning with my job, and I really don't want to put like my nice stuff on every single day. So I bought this one. I think it was like maybe like $6. It works really well. It feels great. My face hasn't broken out. So it's the BB Fresh. It's 8-in-1 Beauty Balm. And I got it in the light medium sheer tint. I think I want to get the medium tint. I saw in the drugstore that they have light medium, then medium, and then dark or deep dark, something like that. So I think I want to get the medium and mix it with this one a little bit, just to give myself a little bit of a darker color. However, I'm wearing it right now and it feels great on my face, does not feel heavy. So definitely recommend this. So I bought these 3 items with my credit, but again, I went over my credit. But still, I mean, I ended up spending maybe, well, both of these were free, that's for sure, because of this was a luxury beauty item, but then it wasn't giving me the credit, so that's where Amazon had to give me a credit for this one. This one was, and then I bought this one out of pocket, but again, it was like $6. So free, and then this one I paid for, and then I got all of this stuff for free. So I love the Amazon beauty box, luxury box. I'm looking forward to trying new ones, and I will definitely share it with you guys. So if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. If you like mommy, lifestyle, beauty videos, cooking videos, that is what my channel is all about. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bye.